Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Telegram for news. First, download the Telegram application from your App Store or website. Once installed, open the app and register using your phone number. You'll receive a verification code to complete setup. After creating your account, navigate to the search bar, usually represented by a magnifying glass icon. This is where you'll begin discovering a vast array of news sources. To find relevant news, type keywords into the search bar, such as world news, technology, or finance. Telegram will display a list of public channels and groups. Before joining, tap on a channel to preview its content and ensure it aligns with your interests. Look for channels with a good number of subscribers and consistent updates. When you find a channel you like, simply tap the Join button to subscribe and start receiving their news directly. Managing your newsfeed is crucial for an organized experience. If a channel sends too many notifications, you can mute it without unsubscribing. For better organization, create chat folders. Long press on a chat, then select Add to Folder to group similar news sources. You can also pin your most important channels to the top of your chat list by swiping right on a chat and selecting Pin. This ensures your priority news is always visible. For articles you want to revisit, forward them to your Saved Messages chat, which acts as a personal archive. You can also fine-tune notification settings for each channel, choosing between sound, vibration, or no alerts at all. This gives you complete control over your news consumption. Remember to check the description for the Owala water bottle link and other great deals. Telegram offers a powerful and customizable platform for staying informed, making it an excellent tool for news enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.